So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to share top 5 Chrome extension that you must know if you want to increase your productivity. So you might be thinking, what are those Chrome extension and how to use them? So watch the video till the end. You will get to know what are those Chrome extension and how to use them. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So first, let's open up Google Chrome and come to here Chrome Web Store. This is the official Chrome Web Store where you can install Chrome extensions. So the first Chrome extension would be AdBlock Plus. This extension block annoying ads and pop-up on websites. This really helpful for you if you don't want to see multiple ads popping up here and there. So let's try it out. Add to Chrome. So let's find a website where the ads are popping up. Let's type India Today. So as you can see here, you don't see any kind of ad are hovering here and there, right? This is because of this Chrome extension. So here, as you can see, there are 11 ads are popping up right now, but you can't see them because this extension is blocking them up. So if you want to see those ads, let's uncheck this and refresh it. So the ads are popping up like this. So this is a very useful tool if you want to block up your ads. Now the next extension would be Grammarly. So this extension checks grammar, spelling, punctuations, error in real time while you're typing. So I have already installed the Grammarly extension. Let's check whether it's work correctly or not. Let's open up Twitter. Let's say I want to post something over here. Let's find out whether it can rectify that error or not. So as you can see here in the red highlighted, it's giving you the option to change it. So in this way, you can use this Grammarly to rectify your errors and rephrase your words. So the third extension is Blackbox. This extension is really helpful for you if you want to copy a code from YouTube search or any other video. So let's try to copy a code from video. So let's say I want to copy this code from this video. So what should I do? Come to here and pin this black box. So now you can copy this entire code from this video. Now see the magic. And you can paste it anywhere you want. So how cool it is. So the next Chrome extension would be Merlin. This Chrome extension is the alternative search of ChatGPT. If you don't want to open ChatGPT again and again, this Chrome extension is really helpful for you. This will not only give you the ChatGPT like structure, but also work similarly with ChatGPT. Let's find it out. So it's already integrated with my Chrome. Let's find something. Let's say chatbot. So here you can see a pop-up will appear like this and you can search it over here also. This is the very cool feature of this Merlin software, that if you don't want to open ChatGPT, OpenAI website again and again, you can use it anywhere in your Google Chrome just by clicking over it here. And you can also use it in your Twitter, Facebook, any kind of social media handle. Let's find it out. In Twitter, let's type here. So if you want to use it in this social media handle, so just click Ctrl+M all together and this box will appear like this. Here type whatever you want. So let's say I want to post regarding trending chatbot. So write it here. So you can see it generate that statement for me and you can simply copy it over here and paste it over here. It's as simple as that. So last but not the least, the extension is Honey. This is a free Chrome extension that finds and apply coupons to your online purchases. So let's open Flipkart and let's check whether it can find any coupon for me or not. Open this thing. So it's popping up like this over here and it say Honey Gold is now PayPal reward. So Honey, I think Honey is integrated with PayPal, that's why it's showing up here. So we just found a reward point over here and you can activate it like this. So this is really helpful if you don't know that is there any reward or coupon is exist or not, and it simply find that reward for you and you can apply it over there to reduce your price. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss an important update like this in the future videos. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.